Why were you chasing the duckies?
I don't know.
You don't know? You chased every single one of them in the water. Look at, they're all in the water. Even the ones on the other sides are even in the water. Well, you missed two. I don't know.
That one.
I would consider that animal cruelty, but
I missed that one. I
you
missed
missed.
two ones. I see that.
What just came out of my mouth? I just walked in a spider web. That was not nice. Ugh. Put your shoes back on now.
No, that
Feels good.
it's very cold now.
The thing came out of my tooth. It hurt. Look, Chloe, you missed four. This one's like peeking its head over the creek. They're all down there. Spider web all over me. They're right there. Those two are peeking their heads over. Watch the bird poop. Quack. Quack, 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 quack. See, I just slowly walk over there. See, I'm not mean. I just slowly walk over here. Quack. Then Chloe comes along and chases him. It goes quack, quack.